Alright, so I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I'm gonna try to sneak this through. So I have a new job and it allows me to have access to all of these cars. But these are the ones I'm just gonna show you guys right now. Look at all these cars. As you can tell, this is a 2018 488 Ferrari. I mean, you guys already know. I could get in them. I mean, check this interior out. I love this colorway. The 488 Spider. Like, I don't want to do too much because cars aren't mine. Don't want to make anybody upset that I'm recording. But check this colorway out. It's such a beautiful car. And then there's a GT3 right there. And I mean, in the end, like, there's art to these cars, and that's really what I'm trying to show, is like these like pillars right here. That shit looks so awesome. This is a convertible, so that's why there isn't the glass right here. I personally like it more when it's like just a normal coupe, but I love these rims. I just love this whole car. Ferrari. Never did I think that I would be like able to get into like every car that's in here. That's a F12. So basically, the whole point of like this video is really just to see if you guys are interested in wanting to see more of these cars, or if you guys want to see a specific car. Bentayga, Rolls Royce, Bentley, Ferrari, Porsche. All you guys gotta do is just leave a comment or go on Instagram and tell me what you guys want to see, and then I'll be able to start making videos on these.